DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy. Code. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in our lab. You see me? I don't know what time it is now, gang. When in our lab, you don't know where I do it, you know. Crazy work I go on, crazy reaction and crazy bangers a job. You see me? I say, yeah, man. But before we get into the video, gang, I just want to say, I hope you take the. I hope you did your prayer today. You see me? I say, I hope you take your time out, you know, today. Take your time out of your day today to give thanks and praise to the Lord. You know. You see me? If you give another day and another chance for the earth. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So don't ever forget. In anything you do, don't let for God. You see me? I say, gang. But anyway, we're there with another one. You see me? We're there with none other than Mr. Alopecia. Mr. V6P Low Tar Alopecia. You don't know where they are, man. Daddy one. The one that named Grung Plain. You see me? I want to see what dog I did. Daddy one. When me say, Daddy one are the one sickest DJ. When me start about, me not talk about no sing J, no. With just pure DJ, no singing. Daddy one, I want an artist. Dancer artist out right now that actually keep that tradition when I'm just a DJ, you know, don't sing, you know that sing J. You see me I say, Daddy one, bro. I mean, I always tell people this and people don't want to hear, but they might go hear because Daddy one look like he back active and they might put in the work. So if they don't recognize by now, this year they might go recognize, you see me? So we there with another one, Daddy one, Grung Plain. Me expect a banger, you know. You see me I say, me expect a banger, but let's get it, gang.
I just that listen. Yeah, Kai, real good.
Psycho!
Yeah, man, out there. Robot. Some 30.
Beast them a move like Grung Plain.
I do like you already. Come in.
Man crash shakes and complain. Spin the crown in the road, me try not to beers. The girl a send the pussy picture, she don't be it. Me fuck her, get the car, but we out here.
Jesus Christ, beast a move like a Grung Plain youth. Huh? A Grung Plain are doing and a beast no more? Come in now, man. Pull up here. Come in, man. The man a full of too much style.
Complain, spin the crown in the road, me try not to beers. The girl a send the pussy
in the crowd in the road. Me tune a thumb pierce. Come in.
picture, she don't be it. Me fuck her, get the car, but we out here. Them know
The game no fear, dog. Jesus and peace. A girl a say she done beat, bro. No car. You take car back. I just man.
the girl a send the pussy picture, she don't be it. Me fuck her, get the car, but we out here. Them know broke.
We're outside. Come here.
Beast them a move like Grung Plain. Girl a get fuck upstairs, you see downstairs. Fresh goon get chopper, we a run page. Full up of money a run and we no run around. School big food, me a chop in a lunch.
No sir, no sir.
Check a fly and
Nah, dog. Man say, beast a move like Grung Plain. Girl a get upstairs while you sit downstairs, bro. No, sir, dog. She take shame out of your eye, youth. No, man, that no.
chopper, we a run page. Full up of money a run and we no run around. School big food, me a chop in a lunch break. Check a fly and in no touch plane. Drop a crown, drop a Benz, still a upgrade. Me and me bang alone in a rough days. 1 mil for me touch stage. Them gyal see me sweet like cupcake. Nah, wait, fuck that.
Nah. Right, take it from the beginning, gang. Come in. Daddy one in I'm back, dog. Daddy one in I'm back. Come in.
I just that listen. Yeah, Kai, real good. Yeah, man, out there. Robot. Some 30.
Beast them a move like Grung Plain. Twin man crash shakes and complain.
Grung Plain, brother. Man, crash X and now complain. Come in.
Complain.
Money dead.
Crown in the road, me try not to be it.
Yeah.
The girl a send the pussy picture, she don't
Be
be
it.
it. Me fuck her, get the car, but we out here. Them know broke, them cannot come
We out here. One bro cat, bro, then can't compare. Come in now.
the car, but we out here. Them know broke, them cannot come here. Beast them a move like Grung Plain. Girl a get fuck upstairs, you see downstairs. Fresh goon get chopper, we a run page. Full up of money a run and we no run around. School
Come
big
in now, man. Oh, gosh.
me a chop in a lunch break. Check a fly and in no touch plane. Drop a crown, drop a Benz, still a upgrade. Me and me bang alone in a rough days. 1 mil for me touch stage. Them gyal see me sweet like cupcake.
Talk fox. Come in now, man.
Now wait, fuck that panny first day. Bad shirt, bad clocks, that a tough sweat.
Yeah.
Young niggas we Also, we have to stay paid. Just tell a skull if you check in an email. Next chart, switch your tone to a female.
Next charge, switch your tone to a female. Boy, you gonna get chopped, man. Come on.
2 card and touch panny EP. Beast them a move like wrong plane. Girl I get fuck upstairs, you see downstairs. Fresh goon get chop away, I run page. Full up of money I run and we no run race. School big food, me a
chop money I run and we no run race. We no, hey, come in now. Come in now, man. Yo, daddy one, go and do your thing, me G. Yeah, man, dog in a bag, man. Yo, gang. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. And if you don't make it this, come on, hit the like and subscribe button if you make it this far in our video. Daddy one, in a vibe, bro. In a vibe. Let me tell you, one of the best spitter, you know. You see me? Yeah, man.
Chop in a lunch break. Check a fly, and in a touch plane.
Yeah.
Chop a crown, chop a pen, still a upgrade. Yeah. Me and me bang alone in a rough days. Me love money and girl, me no love fame. I sell weed by pound, me no need scale. Here.
Money and girl, me no love fame, huh?
Post cocoa white, chicky detail. Pussy them bad mind, now me see it clear. Chop them whips, them bitch don't safe. Bossy moon roof and looking at here. She get
chop the new piece, them girl don't safe. But hey, bossy moon roof looking at here.
Them whips, them bitch don't safe. Bossy moon roof and looking at here. She get higher for weed and crate. Any tea, no caffeine and beer.
Yeah.
She ka keen me chop in I pay.
Yeah.
You a lock me lucky in I game. Mount a boy me say.
Give me Japan I beer. Oh, I'm tear them and take up here. Big up on yourself.
In I grave. Mount a skull me say in I chase. From the break me check in I state. Everything me get in I nail.
Yeah.
No a champagne me turn in I rain.
So me know your voice.
Hey, champion, me turning at the rain. Now I'm turning, man. Hey. Yeah, man, reach out here. Reach out.
Taboy me say in I grave. Mount a skull me say in I chase. From the break me check in I state. Everything me get in I nail. No a champagne me turn in I rain.
So me know your voice.
Beast them a move like wrong plane. Girl I get fuck upstairs, I sit downstairs. Fresh goon get chop away, I run page. Full up of money I run and when
Get hey!
I run around school, big food, me a chop in a lunch break. Check a fly, and in a touch plane. Chop a crown, chop a pen, still a upgrade. Me and me bang alone in a rough days.
Me bang alone in a rough days. Come in, man. Ground plane. Don't play with daddy one, brother. Yeah, man. Me tell you, say, y'all like dog, me want to 6 talent, you know. What? All I dog, them want to 6 talent. Me not lie to you. Not go around it, bro. Man, them sick. Yeah, man, gang. I know one thing about that one there. You see me? Daddy one, ground plane. The man a spit on the one, the vibes, the energy, the style, you see me? I say? Daddy one name bag. Daddy one is back. You see me? Daddy one name vibes. You see me? I say daddy one is back. You see me? I say keep doing this thing, bro. Back to Jack more. You see me? If you're not 6, say 6, no, girl, no. Yo, I am start, bro, God, you know. I'm tear, man. Come in, man. Daddy one a trendsetter from day one, you know. A bad artist. You see me? I say full of style, man. So if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say, yo, the dancing, you know. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Also, let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me? I say, let's chop it up, man. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's discuss it, gang. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm more bangers that come, man. You don't know. You know, stay tuned. Hit the like and subscribe button if you made it this far in the video. You see me? I say, drop your request so you can get your shout out. You already know. We lit. Yeah, man. We there have all our vibes, gang. You know, boy back and fully active. You know, a lot of stuff been going on, a little distraction, but we're back. Full effect. We not stop. Road to 10K. You see me? I say, gang. So hit the like and subscribe button. Right now, we what? We about 700 away from 7K. And then after that, we need 3,000 to make it a 10K. So, gang, we got 4 months left in the year. I'm trying to get 1,000 subs a month. Help your boy out, man. You see me? I say, help me hit 10K before January for my birthday. We can do it, gang. You see me? I say, my back fully active. I just bangers back to back. You see me? Yeah, man. I go crazy. Workaholic time. You see me? I say, yeah, man. No joke. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.